YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy natejustdope, back with another video, and JD Nature was on with it, man. You're watching Nate's Closet, and today's video, as y'all can see by the title, we got a pickup video of unboxing, all that good stuff, man, all in one, you feel me? So y'all see what shoe they are in the title, you feel me? These came out last week, yeah, last Saturday, well, this past Saturday, you feel me? So yeah, bro, one of my, it wasn't highly anticipated on my list, like high up, like a must have, but it was like, I do want those if I can get them, you feel me? And I got lucky. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So yeah, bro, go ahead and, all right. Actually, the box is kind of like beat up, so it's gonna make it a little easier to open, I think. Yeah, bro. This is my, I want to say my second or third W on the sneakers app this year. You feel me? So, hey, it's better than zero. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro. Look at the box. Nice. All right. Cool. So, bam. All right. So at least the box isn't beat up. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. We got the black and gold box. Let's just give a moment of silence for this gold. Like this gold, like these gold hits. It's definitely hard, bro. I do like it a lot. You feel me? Got my size 12, you know what I'm saying? For those that know what size I wear, we got that size right there for you. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I ain't gonna waste no time. This ain't gonna be no long video. You feel me? Cause I'm pretty sure y'all seen countless videos of these already. So, yeah, man, let's go ahead and get my first reaction to these, man. I can already smell the shoe, bro. Y'all know that Jordan 1 smell is very distinct, you know what I'm saying? And here we go. Ooh, ooh, oh, okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Here we go, man. We got the Palomino Jordan 1s, bro. We got the Jordan 1 Palominos right here, man. Go ahead and, you know, give y'all a little 360 real quick. You feel me? Feel me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Yo, these are tough, bro. These are tough, bro. Definitely great for the fall. You know what I'm saying? Fall is my favorite season of the year, so y'all already know. These are going straight to the toe, man. No kids out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro. I definitely wanted me a pair of brown Jordan 1s. Didn't get the mochas, wasn't able to get the mochas, and I wasn't paying that crazy price. Especially once I seen these were coming out, I was like, bro, I'm not spending no crazy amount of money for no mocha ones. Even though I love the color blocking of the mocha ones, cause I love the black toes. But yeah, that price, bro, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and pay retail for these. Hopefully I can get these for retail. And your boy did get these for retail. I actually struck out my first initial try of getting these because I got them off the sneakers app. I got in as soon as it hit like what 10 o'clock. First time, didn't get them. And then I got in right after that, which was at like 10:15 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? 15 minutes after, and then like literally a minute after I entered the second time, got the goddamn screen. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, definitely glad that I was able to get the dub on these. I probably would have paid resale for these, man, just because I do love this black and brown, like this color blocking, like the bread color blocking with this brown, bro, is just so nice, man. But yeah, I don't think I would have paid resale right away. I would have tried to at least like let the price calm down a little bit, you feel me, and then go for them. But I was like, bro, I'm gonna just try to go ahead and get them for retail. And I love that brand new Jordan 1 smell, bro, is just amazing, man. But yeah, bro, don't come with no extra laces though, man. That's the only sad thing about these, bro. Like, let me see. Yeah, bro, no extra laces, man. I would at least love like a little cream sail laces, you feel me? But I do have like some white or cream laces in one of these shoe boxes back here. I'm gonna just probably switch out the laces if I do decide to do that. I'm gonna just do that, man. But for right now, I'm just keep it chill with the black laces, you feel me? Had to get the thumbnail real quick, you feel me? I don't think resale is bad on these right now, so if y'all want them that bad, you feel me, I don't see these restocking. I don't see these restocking at all. So I mean, if you don't mind paying their resale price, go ahead and get them now, because we all know these black and brown, anything with brown on it on the Jordan 1 is gonna go up eventually. So I would say, I'm not no reseller expert or nothing like that, but these right here, hey, if you can get them and if you're willing to pay that price right now, go ahead and get them right now, because yeah, I can see these going up in price, bro. So if you want these, go ahead and get them while you can. You know what I'm saying? Get them hot and ready, you feel me? Let me know how y'all like these. Let me know if y'all were able to cop for retail or resale, you feel me? If you do plan on copping for resale because you do like them that much and you took an L, comment down below, let me know, man. But yeah, bro, I was fortunate enough to get these for retail. So yeah, man. These are hard, bro. I'm looking at the camera, man, like looking at them on the screen right now, and these look tough, bro. Can't wait to put these on feet, man. That was my first my first pickup of not 2023, but of September. Next pickup that I will definitely be going for this month is the playoff 8s. I'm gonna try for the J Balvin's. If I can't get them, I ain't stressing, but I'm definitely going after them playoff 8s, man. That's like that's top priority, bro. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So now, with that being said, if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button, and once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good Vibes Only 454, my clothing brand. Go to check it out at gvo454.com, and also the IG Good Vibes Only 454. I almost forgot the IG. But yeah, subscribe to my other two YouTube channels, Nate Just Dope and Life with Nate, so y'all can be caught up with all the content that I post on YouTube. But yes, bro, I've been like brainstorming and stuff like that on like different kind of videos that I can do, because I just don't want this channel to just be videos of me just showing my sneaker pickups. I want to get this channel back moving like it used to back in the day. So yeah, bro, if y'all got any video ideas that y'all want me to start doing and incorporating, I do plan on start doing like sneaker news type videos and stuff like that, just like giving like a breakdown of like what's coming out and stuff like that, and what I plan on copying. So yeah, anything else y'all want to see, go ahead and leave suggestions in the comments down below, man. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. So now with that being said, it's your boy Nate Just Dope signing out. Deuces. I'm off this one. I couldn't get a bill paid. You could buy the real thing. I was staying up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't think I want to use the thing. But we all so small now. One night, on everything.